Vere United could be in some problems. But why though? Portmore United, bad start. Montego Bay starting like they mean business. And Mount Pleasant looking like a true championship team. So, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Yeah. May I tell people, say, yo, very, very interesting update to have for you guys. Jamaica Premier League, match day 1. This is match day 2, which is Monday. But match day 1, which was Sunday, is out of the way. We have some interesting, intriguing, thought-provoking topics to discuss. 1, 3 games played yesterday. Vere United versus Vere Phoenix United versus Montego Bay. Portmore United versus Mount Pleasant, and Dunbeholden versus the Dunga Jungle, the Junglist Arnett Garden. So let's first touch on, I'm gonna leave the Vere Phoenix one for last. Leave the one for last because a little bit of exciting news in the one day. So we're going to leave the one for last. People are going upset. We're going to touch upon my team, my side, the red, white, and blue, over by Portmore United. I have to say, it was a poor start for the campaign. Now, there are positives. They are positive when we look at the Portmore United team. I do believe that because of the age curve of our team, it looks like we have a good future. But squad look young. The squad look really, really young. And of 1 and 2 positives is why positives. Now try to find some positive where Portmore is concerned. The age curve, young squad. We did stand up to Mount Pleasant in some sense. We didn't really create much chances in the final third. We didn't do much. These are not the positives, unfortunately. But may I try to find some. But me not give up. Me not give up on my team. I'm not giving up. But me know say people are going to say, boy, MJ give up on your team already and the season just start. No. But I do believe that going forward from here, I do think that this game can teach us a lot about ourselves and what are the expectations are going to the season and things that we can fix. Now, on the other hand, I 100% believe that Mount Pleasant look to be a formidable force going into the season. Spoke with Tapper Whitmore after the game, and he talked about the counter press, how he set up his team, what he's trying to do, and what they're trying to aim. You can go and watch an interview. It will be on our channel. Go and check that out. But I strongly believe that this Mount Pleasant team look top 2, probably champions, top 2, top 3. Yeah, between, the 1, 2, 3 there. Yeah. They're in that bracket. 1, 2, 3. I'll probably say top 2. They're in that bracket based off what I've seen so far out of majority of the teams. No, I still not see Mobie. I watch Mobie upon some. Yeah, people, for those who don't know, the game Vere Phoenix, a whole clips out there. Other people actually recorded the game and posted it already. But certainly not a bad look from Mobie United as well. Now, but back to something to Mount Pleasant, they look a formidable force going into the season. Next up, we have Dunbeholden versus Arnett Garden. Arnett Garden, one of also top 3 teams, and based off of predictions for the early season, they look really good. They really put Dunbeholden to the swords. They put Dunbeholden to the swords and showcase it. Hey, we are ready for this season. We want it this season, and they look really good. I thought that when we look at them national, Jaheim Thomas, I thought that on the pitch possibly was one of the best, if not the best player on the pitch. He was oozing class the entirety of the game. From minute 1 until he came off, everybody had to clap him when they come off. All their Junglist fans, they have clap him when they come off. He look really, really good. He look sharp. In the half spaces, turning, moving, dictating the game. And he looks to be a beast, just a beast growing. Still thinking for put on a little bit more, but I tell us, he looks to be such a dangerous youngster in the middle of the park. One to watch out for this season. I think possible. I think based off what I see from him from the preseason and also the CCC and the CFU, he looks to be a player who would be possibly one of the best players in the league this season. And I'm loving what I'm seeing from the youngster. Looking really good. So Arnett Garden, Rena Brown hitting the brace last night, and then Kim on Arboin, bye-bye, coming to put on a whipper, a curler, a brilliant finish. They're not just a seal of the game. It was a good look from Arnett Garden. Do think that Dunbeholden has some stuff to work on. I do think that they play too low, deep block, similar to Portmore United. They play like a deep block, so maybe that's something we have to go work on. Too deep, too close to the goal. So whenever we receive the ball, we don't have too far to travel up the pitch. But when time Arnett Garden win the ball, then they're right in front of the goal. So that definitely is something we have to go work on. Just move the line up a bit. I think that can change just many things just by moving the line up just a little bit. Anyways, so not a good showing by the two Portmore teams that I've seen so far. Hopefully one more Portmore team I play today, which is Racing. Hopefully see a better showing from them. So the two Portmore teams that we have seen so far, we have Portmore conceded so far, the entirety of Portmore conceded 5 goals. 2 at Mount Pleasant and 3 at Arnett. So we need to do something. So we concede 2 from St. Anne, we concede 3 from Town. We must do something. We can't concede no more from Town, because we play Town again. So we have to go do something about that. Anyways, move up now to the next game, Vere Phoenix United. Montego Bay, based off the games, the coverage that I've seen, I'm watching 10 minutes, some 15 minutes clips of the game. Let me tell people for who go and find the game. Let me tell you the channel you can go watch it on. Wilbert Moore, you go up on Wilbert Moore channel, and you will see a huge portion of the game. So for those who are not seeing it, I thought that Mobile looked really good. I look really good, playing some nice football. Vere Phoenix now, they definitely have a lot of work to do. So, go for sure, say, the league not as easy as we think, Craig Butler. It's not as easy as we think. But I do think that as the season progresses, they should get better. Now, from the reports that I was given is that from the game go 1-1, Craig Butler basically said, Lenny, you know what? I'm taking over. May I take over? So Lenny had a sit and go and watch the rest of the game. Craig Butler started to do coaching from the reports, according to reports that I've received, and also video evidence and also pictures. But that is one of the reasons why Vere Phoenix could be in some problems, because apparently Craig Butler, standing in the technical area, also not being on the match card is problematic. That shouldn't be the case. One, he's not on the match card, so he shouldn't even be in the technical area. I don't know if there's other clauses or certain things I don't know about around it, but from what I do know, for you to be on the bench in the technical area, your name must be on the match card. And worst case scenario, he was shouting instructions. So apparently, tentatively, there could be a fine for Vere Phoenix coming up based off that. So that's it. That's the report that I have received. So that's the reason I said they could be in some problem. But on the pitch, they need them have a lot of work to do as well. Defensively, based off what I've seen, you have to work on that. It look shambolic. So they need to do some work where defensive is concerned. I did what was really the wonder. 2 different coaches, 2 different approach. 1 possession base, 1 more transition football. I still wonder how it will combine. As I said, as the season progresses, I do believe that I think they should get better. But let's see how this one materializes. So this cover the coverage for match day 1. Let's see how this one go. Anyways, match day 2 is today. We'll see how the games go for this evening. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. MG Sports TV. See you at the game later, people. Big up on yourself. Jamaica Premier League 2024-2025 starts off with a bang. Big up on yourself, people. We're out. God bless. Enjoy the rest of the day. Now, boom.